client. These models solve all types of packaging needs for products like tea, tobacco, pulses, rice, dry fruits, namkeens, snack foods, sugar, milk powder, pesticides, liquid and semi-liquid products. At present, the company is exporting its products to almost 35 countries across the globe, like USA, Canada, European countries, Asian countries, African countries, Middle East and Gulf countries. Located in the industrial hub of Noida, Elegant Engineers is endowed with state-of-the-art technology and high-tech machines. This strict adherence to quality yields them numerous awards and certifications. Behind the success of the company lies the dedication and expertise of its visionary directors. Constant effort and uncompromised vision has turned Elegant Engineers into a brand to be reckoned with.